Okay, baby boomers, here in Covington, Tennessee at the Court Square Café. Highly recommend this place. It has now become one of my favorite places to eat lunch or dinner. Covington, Tennessee. Now, we're going to take you on a really cool adventure today. Stay tuned. Also, I want to talk to you about some health things, baby boomer health things, which is going to center around getting ready, getting prepared for autumn and winter weather. What kind of supplements do you absolutely need in your repertoire to have a healthy, safe, cold weather adventure? So I'm going to tell you about that, but I got to finish these lima beans and these wonderful mashed potatoes and this country fried steak. I'm going to finish it off, and I'll check back with you later.
Love that. Fabulous.
So finished the meal, the chicken fried steak, and it was excellent. One of the best that I've had in Tennessee. So to continue what I was telling you about regarding supplements, oh, by the way, before I tell you that, I'm here at Fort Pillow, which is 80 miles north of Memphis, Tennessee. You'll want to look up Fort Pillow on the internet. Fascinating history of this beautiful museum and, of course, Fort Pillow. So what two supplements, if you had a choice of two supplements to take for your health during the fall and the winter, what would they be? Take a guess. Well, let's look around here before I tell you. What are those two supplements that I alluded to when we were in the museum, the Fort Pillow Museum? Well, it's really simple. Folks, because the daylight's, of course, getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, you're not going to be out as often. What does your body need the most? I mean, really, what does it need the most as far as a supplement goes that you are not getting? Well, number one is vitamin D3. So you're going to have to start taking your vitamin D. Now, what goes with that to help your immune system to fight off any colds, bacteria or viruses? You got to have zinc. So vitamin D and zinc are the two most important healthcare supplements that you could possibly have. So I encourage you to take that. Now, if you want more information, go to babyboomer.fun and go to the Healthy Boomer page, and you can read all my health tips there, and it'll help you out a lot to keep that immune system and any inflammation in your body down. Because if you have inflammation in your body, immune system's not going to work as well, and you're going to be more subject to getting the cold and the flu. Now, here at Fort Pillow, I've never seen this in any of my travels, a place where you can actually get a passport stamp station. So look at this. This is a passport stamp station, and here's the stamp. So I'm going to stamp this right here. And I was going to stamp my forehead, but I think this might be indelible ink. So here, let's see what it looks like. We'll get a close-up here.
Ooh.
There. Isn't that wonderful? Not. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, obviously it needs to get on this ink pad. So there's an ink pad in here. I'm going to dab it real good, and let's try it again. Take two. So let's see what happens this time.
Nice.
Much better. There it is, Fort Pillow, 1971. And of course, this was, all this took place back in 1863, actually 1861, 1862. So, really interesting. So anyway, now, there's a bridge over here. that goes in a 2.5 mile one way and 2.5 miles back. And so I'm gonna check that out. I don't know if I'm gonna go the whole thing, but it looks very interesting. So check you guys later.